The tech is out there.
Thank you for loving it. The first 3D wooden world map by Enjoy the Wood got highly rated by you. Your support and trust made us believe we can take another leap and surprise you even more. So meet 4 massive updates, 17 new colors to make it brighter and fit any taste and interior, plus new Luminous feature to surprise you all day long. The map is now magnetic. Keep your best moments close. LED backlight you control right from your smartphone. Choose between multiple modes. Pick the one that matches your vibe best and enjoy. You'll only need a couple of hours to install it. No wires, extra tools, or appliances. Easier than ever. Oh wait, there's more. You can have all 4 innovative features in one map. Impressive, right? What else you should know about our map in a nutshell? Better detailing and accuracy due to innovative technology. Certificated eco-friendly materials. Available in 4 sizes. With so much fun and inspiring features attached. Pledge and save right now. Jump in and get inspired.